There are many ways to make lists in HTML. One way is with the ordered list. An ordered list is used when we have a list of items and the order has meaning. For example, steps in a recipe, directions to a location. These are typically numbered by default. Then we have unordered list. This is when the list of items and the order of the items, well, there's no meaning to the order. For example, a list of ingredients in a recipe. Unordered lists are typically bulleted. And finally, we have descriptive list or definition list. This is used to implement glossaries or to display key value pairs. For example, name of a person, their name, age of a person, their age. First off, how do you make an ordered list? To make an ordered list, we use the OL tag. Between the OL tags, we need to have the items. Use the list item tag. We're going to show how to make eggs. So we need 3 steps or 3 LI tags. Now within each LI tag, we put a step. For making eggs, it would be crack the egg and put in pan. Cook the egg. Put the egg on the plate. Then let's save that. And notice in the browser, it has an ordered list that is numbered. Now, if you don't want numbers on your ordered list, or you wanted to style it in a different way, we would use CSS. Now, how do we make an unordered list? Well, similar to the ordered list, we need a tag. We use the UL tag. Now, between the UL tags, again, just like the ordered list, we use LI or list item elements. So for this list, we're going to list the ingredients used in the recipe to make an egg. So again, let's use 3 li tags. Let's list the ingredients for the recipe. We need eggs, salt, butter. And then when we save it, notice in the browser, we have an unordered list. It's bulleted. So then if you want to change the style or get rid of the bullets, we would use CSS. And finally, let's look at descriptive list. Now remember, descriptive lists are used for glossary terms or key value pairs. So let's look at an example of one. Now to make a descriptive list, we need to use the DL tag. Now within the DL tag, we're not going to use the LI tag. We're going to use 2 new tags, the DT and the DD tags. Now the DT tag is the description term element, which we put the glossary term or the key term that we want to use. Then we have the DD or the description details tag, in which we put the definition or the value in. Now for this, we're going to do the glossary first. We need another term and we need another detail. First of all, we're going to look at egg. Now we're going to define egg as comes from a chicken. And then we're going to define as another glossary term, salt, and ingredient in eggs. And then if we save that, if you notice in the browser, we have a list of terms with their definition. Then we also talked about key value pairs. What do I mean by key value pairs? Let's start again. And then we're going to again make a DT, DD pair. This time we're doing use key value pairs. Let's make two of them. Let's look at an example. For example, we may want the name of a person. Then in the details element, we put the value of the name, Ed. Then we want to know their age. So we put age. And then in the details element, we put their age. Then if we save, notice key value pairs. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you comment, I will reply. Thank you.